Hi, this is Mike, Captain Tie-Dye from Just Rockin Out. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a burst spiral shirt. For this shirt, you're going to need a couple of paper plates, your dye, and a plastic bag. It's always a good idea to wipe down your table before you dye anything on it, just to get off any excess dye that might have been from other items you've been making or any dirt that's on the table. So we'll wipe that down. Then we'll take our shirt, which is right here. This is an adult medium shirt, but this works on all different size shirts and different items. Okay, what you're going to want to do first is lay the shirt out flat on the table and determine where you want your spiral to start. Now, if you look just underneath the arms, the center of the shirt is right here. I'm going to want my spiral to start in the center. Again, you can start the spiral anywhere you want on the shirt. Okay, so we can come down to the center. We're going to pinch this here, just like this, and we're going to twist. We're going to grab the same spot. We're going to twist again. And grab the same spot and pull these out a little bit. This will give us some nice ripples in the shirt. Okay, and give it another twist. Now be sure you're pushing down when you do this. People tend to have a habit of lifting when you do it, but that distorts the spiral. Just keep pressure down. In fact, mostly now I'm not really grabbing, I'm just pushing the shirt down and twisting. And it's twisting just like it's supposed to. And when you get to about this point here, you can pull all the sides in. And you should have something that looks a little bit like that. You're going to want to take one of your plates and carefully lift this up and put it in the plate. Now this will help it keep its shape because the edge is on the plate. Next, what you're going to want to do is pick a color. I think for this one, we're going to use blue and purple. And take the dye and cover an entire side with the dye. Just like this. Now, what you're actually doing is you're getting the dye to soak into the shirt, but not very deep. You don't want just like one layer of dye on it. You don't want a lot. You just want it completely covered. Okay, be sure you don't put too much in the center because that's the thinnest part. A little bit more on the outer edges because that's where the material is thicker and there's more layers of it. And we're coming around the side here. Go back and hit all these little white areas. Make sure it's pretty thoroughly covered. And up on the edges and the sides, a little light area there, a couple there. And this side looks pretty good. Okay, now we're going to take our second plate, put it on here, and just flip this over. And we're going to pick our second color for the other side, making sure we can access all of it. And we're going to do the same thing we did on the other side. Cover it with the purple here. Yeah, I'm pretty quick putting it on. You don't have to be this fast. You can be careful. I've done this a few times. But just be sure you cover it. But don't soak it in too far. There we go. Just cover it. And there you go. That is completely covered. Now we're going to take our plastic bag we have here. And we're going to put this into the bag. Just kind of slide it off in there. Get the air out. Twist this up. and put this aside to cure for about 8 hours.